Alright, so right now we're currently going to be working on the exhaust system on Mitch's truck.
The muffler, new to me.
It's a muffler off of a Trailblazer. We're going to stick it on here so he can get inspected and avoid fines and warrants. So right now we're gonna yeah. So right now we're gonna clean the end of the muffler up just so we could get a nice weld to it.
Oh, he's doing it. Alright. Very safe. Precautions. Safety first.
Alright, so it's more or less kind of cleaned up. So
better than it was.
Alright, so now we're gonna bring this with us to our local Advanced, and then we're gonna get a adapter piece for this to bolt on the truck over there.
Oh yeah.
Yo, you got a truck, hold on.
Exactly. As you can see, you can't see.
So we're inside of Mitch's Chevrolet.
Yo, I hate this mud.
So he actually bought this truck off of my dad, and he's been driving. Yo, what's your review of the truck? How is it so far?
I would say best truck I've ever driven. I put the interior all back together. As you see, we got blue on the red, rare combination. Watch this. This is that Chevy power.
Oh yeah.
Like it's nothing. Make sure there's no sensitive documentation on there. Oh, I also need gas. It might run out of gas.
That would be good. So we're just currently going to Advance. We're going to pick up the adapter piece, and then we'll basically resume the video when we get back with everything that we need. Alright, so we got the exhaust adapter right here.
Yep.
We got this basically
hanger.
Hanger set.
Close enough.
And then a clamp. And this should be really it that we need for right
Quality exhaust build.
Yeah, quality.
Yep.
Yeah, 350 gonna be purring after this. Alright, so this is a before. So just making sure this slips on. And it does. So it's gonna slide on there. I'm gonna weld the muffler right to here. It's gonna stick out.
Fits, right?
Yes, sir. So clean it up a little bit and then weld her on.
I don't want to do. Action.
Alright, so it's cleaned up enough. This is just gonna slip right on like that.
Yep.
Gonna weld it around and it should be good.
Budget exhaust build.
Yeah, man. Alright, so I got the Harbor Freight welder out. I'm gonna weld this thing up.
I'm gonna turn around.
Alright, so we got our turbo welds welded on.
Buggers.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Stacking dimes, bro.
Did you go to welding school?
No.
Are you a professional?
No. So I'll call that good enough.
Professional?
Yeah. So, we take this. We're probably gonna have to clean.
Oh, why is it zoomed in all the way?
And Unzoom it, bro.
Oh, she's all rusty. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how good that was filmed. I can't see. Wow. Look at that.
Like it's supposed to be there.
This is quality work right here.
Alright, so we got the muffler slipped on now. It's in a decent bit. It's got to turn down right here, so she should be good. And then we're gonna, right on this hanger, we're probably gonna loop it around just so it holds up on there.
Here we are again.
Huh?
Tightening the bolts down.
Yeah, we're tightening the clamp down.
Yep.
Finally found the nut after Mitch lost it for like 10 minutes.
I dropped it.
He lost it.
I dropped it. See that? That's a quality exhaust right there. If I say.
Yeah, bro. Oh, she's solid. Alright, we're gonna get this strap right up in here. Alright, give me a 10 millimeter. Alright, so now, just cinching this up. This is the little cheap hanger. No, it's not dangling, now it's
Look at that.
down there. So, it's pretty solid to me. Pulling on it, it's not falling off, so I think that's pretty good to call.
Yep.
Oh, alright, give me that.
Quality work right here.
Start her up. Give her some beads. I don't think that muffler does anything to muffle.
As a muffler though.
It's good. So I'm gonna call that professionally and good install. So should be good for inspection now. What do you think about new muffler, man?
It's still loud, but it has a muffler. It's legal.
So now it's just basically a turn down right in the middle. Looks how it should. Not bad. Pretty good for basically what, $20 a parts.
And the muffler. Get the muffler at the junkyard. It's called Free 99.
You should be good. She's tight. All good to go. So I'm just gonna probably have this as a little short video. So I'm gonna call it now. Nice and installed. Yo, give an outro this time, Mitch.
W install. This is a professional video today.
Yep.
You gotta teach them how to do it.
Exactly.
Yep.
Alright, so we'll see you guys on
This angle go hard though.
next video, man.